Most consultants think the fastest way to grow an agency to chasing a new big deals. But for many agencies, chasing those big clients and deals make their business unstable. The internet advice everyone follow. When people start consultant and agency business, they hear the same advice everywhere. Get a high ticket clients or find a business willing to pay $5,000 or $10,000 or even $20,000. The logic is simple. If one client paid $10,000 a month, then you will need a 3 or 4 clients to make a successful business. But on paper it feels very easy, and this is why new consultants spend months trying to land those deals. They build complicated offers, chase large companies and try to position themselves as a premium expert. But what most people don't realize, high paying clients just buy rarely your service. They buy attention, involvement and control over the processes, and that's where the most problem usually begin. The hidden problem with high ticket clients. Working with high ticket clients sound exciting, but it creates several challenges for consultants they don't expect. Expectation become extremely high. Client pay large retainer, they expect consistently communication. They want regular strategy call, detailed reports and immediate response whenever something changes. When it starts as a simple service and turn into endless meeting and constant update, the sales cycle become a very low. Large client rarely make a quick decision. Instead of one conversation, the deal might require multiple meeting, internal decisions and long approval processes. And sometimes closing a single client takes a month. The work become more complex. High ticket clients often ask solution instead of simple processes. They want additional features, special requests and adjustment to your process. Your business become more fragile. When your entire business depends on few big clients, losing even one can be damage your business. One cancellation remove huge percentage of your revenue. Imagine building your agency around 4 clients paying $5,000 each. If one of them leaves, you suddenly lose 25% of your revenue overnight. And this kind of instability make it difficult for build a long-term business. The opportunity most agency and consultant ignore. While everyone online chasing a high-ticket clients, there is a massive market that many consultants overlook: the small businesses. Things about dentist, gym owner, real estate agent, restaurant, saloon and local service company. This business exists in your every locality, and this business trying to attract more lead and customer. The interesting part is most of the businesses don't care about complicated marketing frameworks or advanced growth strategy. They care about more outcome, more leads, more customer, more phone calls. And because their goals are simple and clear, working with them can be far easier than working with big corporate clients. Why small businesses are better clients? Small local businesses can actually create a large and stable foundation. While many consulting agencies focus on large clients, small businesses provide often more valuable. These are several reasons why working with them can be a good decision. Decisions are faster. Most local businesses run by direct owner. There are no approval chains or internal complicated meetings. If they believe your service can actually attract a more customer, they make a decision very quickly. Expectations are clearer. Unlike large clients, small business rarely ask complicated strategy and endless meeting. Remember, they care about only result. If your work helps them bring to new customer, that's all they need to. Results are easier to measure. When you help local businesses to grow, the results are visible almost immediately. A student get more reservation, a gym gain new members, or a real estate agent receive more inquiries. This clear impact make too easy to understand. And lastly, 99% people need to know, relationship lasts longer. When local businesses directly see that you are help bringing to more customer and more lead, they often like to work continue for a year. Instead of constantly searching a new client, you build a long-term partnership with their businesses. The strategy most of consultant and agency use, and this is why many of most consultant and agency follow a different path strategy, as you see from what you see on online. Instead of relying on few massive clients, they build a business around many smaller clients. Rather than chasing one $10,000 contract, they sign 10 clients paying $1,000 each. And this approach completely changes stability for your businesses. If one client leaves, nothing breaks, revenue stay predictable, the businesses continue running smoothly. And over time, this model creates something far valuable than just relying on few clients. It creates a stable foundation for long-term stability, because in the end, the goal is not just landing a few massive clients. The real goal is building a business that can grow, survive and scale without constant stress. If you found this video valuable, make sure to subscribe this channel.